Honor has launched its new X series phone in Malaysia called Honor X7d, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X7d features a tall 6.77-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 850 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X7d sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.89 by 76.8 by 8.24 millimeters, and it weighs around 206 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X7d has been priced in Malaysia at 699 Malaysian ringgits. And it is now available for purchase in the country in velvet black and desert gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X7d 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.